Live from Sunrise Elementary School, it's time for Spartan TV. With lead anchor Madison.
Hello and welcome to Spartan TV. I'm Madison. This is Spartan TV episode 2. It's the start of August and it's hot and smoky outside. We're thinking about all the families who have lost their homes across California due to all the forest fires. Students here at Sunrise have been working hard the first 3 weeks at school. The Spartan TV crew took their cameras around campus, capturing all the hard-working Spartans.
Partner. Love it. 13. Hi. Our next new word. Very. How do you spell very?
The PFL school dance occurred last Friday. Mr. Kroll spun the music where 400 kids and parents filled the cafeteria, and the highlight of the night was flossing competition. Here's the video. Now that looked like a lot of fun and a great way to kick off our school year. Apex has been on campus for the next month.
Every champion is all about his
one more minute. You only have one. Awesome fun. He does really good.
Let's raise some money for Sunrise Elementary Music Program. Hey! There you go. Good job, you guys. If you're thirsty, get some. Great job, you guys.
Yeah.
But not until you're done right now.
All right, Spartans, this is Mr. Hawk.
Mrs. Folger.
The lovely Mrs. Folger. Mrs. Folger, how many laps did you get?
I did 36 at the first one and a numerous amount
How many?
at the second.
How
I
many?
didn't even keep track of the second because I didn't need to.
Probably like 99 right here.
Hey,
Probably
pick strong, baby.
I think she's the world record holder until I checked my own shirt. 100.
No.
One extra than Mrs. Folger.
Oh, no.
Mr. Hawk, world champion, Apex Strong.
Remember, keeping those pledges and having fun running the field. And now, here's the question of the month.
I think I have never eaten a zucchini.
I've never seen a cheetah. I have never done skydiving. I've never done gymnastics before. I have never played with any dolls.
I think I have never eaten a zucchini.
I never played with a stick before. I've never been on a hot air balloon.
I've never really been on an airplane before.
A zucchini.
There's been a new world record set in our backyard. Last month, Intel flew the most ever drones flown at once over its building in Folsom. 218 drones took over the sky for a stunning 5-minute show. It broke the Guinness World Records. Wow. Has been making a name for itself with drone technology. They flew drones at the opening ceremony of 2018 Winter Olympics in China. The Super Bowl has also made a cover shoot in Time magazine. Congratulations, Intel. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Don't forget to audition for the Sunrise McGarvey Elementary School musical. This year it's going to be Mary Poppins. This is great for grades 4th through 6th. There is an audition workshop Thursday, August 30th from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. The auditions are due Wednesday, September 5th at the audition from 3:30 to 5 p.m. I'm extremely excited and I cannot wait for auditions. Please remember that every Thursday is early out and students are dismissed at 1:55 p.m. I'm Madison. See you next time on Spartan TV.